Begin by opening the hopper and removing your packet from inside the unit. This contains the owner's manual and installation guide. Next, remove the outside air kit, which is also located inside of the hopper. After removing the door handle from the bag, install the door handle. First, we'll take a look at how to install your stove. Your owner's manual contains detailed guidelines and information. Be sure to read it thoroughly and to follow all applicable codes as well. The installation we will be showing you in this illustration is through the wall, which is the most common installation. Locate the unit along an outside wall within the dwelling. England's Stoveworks has designed an outside air kit for this particular installation. This allows for the outside combustion air to be pulled from outside of the dwelling. This kit includes an outside wall mounting plate with vent cap, inside wall mounting plate, 6 foot of flexible aluminum hose, and 2 clamps. To install this outside air kit, it is necessary to cut a small 3-inch hole through the wall and install the inside mounting plate. Connect the aluminum flex hose to the vent cap on the inside of the external mounting plate with one of the hose clamps provided. Insert the unconnected end of the flex hose through the hole in the wall and push the outside mounting plate until it is against the wall. Mount with 4 screws of the proper type for your outside wall surface. To connect the aluminum flex hose on the unit, it may be necessary to trim off some excess hose. This may be done by using a utility knife. Once the hose has been trimmed to the proper length, slide the other hose clamp over the aluminum flex pipe and connect the aluminum flex hose over the steel air inlet and tighten the clamp. Once you have determined the appropriate location for the unit, place the unit on a UL-approved floor protector or a non-combustible surface. Consult your manual or the safety label on the inside of the hopper lid for the proper size protector for your unit. You need to ensure that you maintain proper clearances to a combustible. The pellet vent pipe requires a minimum of 3-inch clearance to a combustible. All England Stoveworks freestanding pellet unit products require a minimum of 3-inch UL-approved pellet vent flue pipe. Elevations of 4,000 feet or more require a minimum of 4-inch UL-approved pellet vent pipe. We are using the Duravent 3-inch 3000 pellet vent kit for this horizontal installation. At elevations of 4,000 feet or higher, the Duravent 4-inch 3100 pellet vent kit should be used. Each of these kits include wall thimble for the inside and outside walls, pellet vent adapter, 5 1-foot sections of pellet vent pipe, T with removable cleanout adapter, 90-degree elbow, horizontal cap, and a wall support strap. You can also install this unit through the ceiling. When venting the stove through the ceiling, the pipe is connected to the unit in the same manner as through the wall, except the clean-out tee is always on the inside of the dwelling and a 3-inch adapter is added before the clean-out tee. You must use the proper ceiling support flanges and roof flashing. Follow the pipe manufacturer's directions for this type of installation. The stove requires a UL-approved non-combustible floor protector or equivalent if the stove is to be installed on a combustible floor. If the floor the stove is to be installed on is already non-combustible, such as a concrete floor in a basement, no protection is needed. The floor protector must extend at least 6 inches from the front and sides and 4 inches from the rear of the unit, as shown in this diagram. For Canadian requirements, refer to your owner's manual. While there is no minimum clearance requirement from the rear of the unit, a 10-inch minimum clearance is required from the sides of the unit to combustible objects, as shown in a diagram. Refer to the owner's manuals for both the stove and for your pipe for complete information regarding combustibles. For mobile home installation, the pellet stove must be secured to the floor of the mobile home using lag bolts and the holes provided in the bottom of the base for this purpose. The pellet stove must be grounded with a number 8 solid copper grounding wire or equivalent, terminated at each end with an NEC approved grounding device. Installation must be in accordance with manufacturer's Home and Safety Standard, HUD, CFR 3280, Part 24, as well as any applicable local codes. Check your owner's manual for more information on this installation. The use of outside combustion air is mandatory on this stove. See the installation section earlier in the video for information on installing the outside air kit.